Class 7. Good morning to all of you. So today the topic, the new chapter number 3rd. The chapter name is Turkish invasions. Turkish invasion. What is the theme of the Turkish invasion? The theme, the Delhi Sultanate. The Delhi Sultanate. Subudgin, the ruler of Ghazni, was succeeded by his son Muhammad in 971 C. Mahmud wanted to achieve glory as the greatest conqueror of the world. He had heard about the fabulous wealth of the Indo-Gangetic plains. Thus, this region was plundered to replenish the treasury of Ghazni. It is said that he attacked India 17 times from 1001 to 1025 CE. It is said that he attacked India 17 times from 1001 to 1025 CE, waging his jihad. What is the meaning of jihad? Holy war of Muslims. Jihad means holy war of Muslims, both for plunder and for the promise of paradise. It should be kept in mind that he did not loot only the rich temples of the northwest, but also campaigned in Sistan and Multan. Sistan and Multan. Where is Multan? Currently, Multan situated in Pakistan. Important trading centers on the lower Indus River. He also fought with the ruler of Ghor to establish his superiority in this region. Some of the areas Mahmud invaded are listed below. In 1001 CE, he attacked Punjab and some important cities of Ujjain, Gwalior, Kalinga, Kannauj, and Delhi. Again, I will repeat. In 1001 CE, he attacked Punjab and some important cities of Ujjain, Gwalior, Kalinga, and Kannauj and Delhi. He also attacked and raided rich cities and temple towns like Nagarkot, Multan, Alwar, Thaneshwar, Mathura, and Somnath. He also attacked and raided rich cities and the temple towns like Nagarkot, Multan, Alwar, Thaneshwar, Mathura, and Somnath. One of the most important attack of Muhammad was on the Somnath temple. It was a place of great reverence. Reverence means holy importance for the Hindus. One of the most attacks of Muhammad was on the Somnath temple. It was a place of great reverence for the Hindus, and thousands of them had gathered to defend it. About 50,000 devotees let down their lives in vain. The temple lost 1300 kilograms of gold and million of dinars. Dinars means currency used in many Arab countries. Muhammad was a successful general and a conqueror who never suffered defeat. He was also a great patron of art, architecture, and literature in his country. His capital Ghazni was adorned with many beautiful buildings, which included mosques, libraries, a museum, and universities. Scholars like Al-Biruni and the Persian poet, the famous name Al-Biruni, the famous Persian poet Firdausi, who wrote the great epic Shahnameh, received his patronage. Al-Biruni spent about 10 years in India. Al-Biruni spent about 10 years in India and wrote a book describing India and its various phases. Phases means aspect. Facet means aspects, features or characteristics. The book was called Tarikh-e-Hind and is a rich source to know what India was like during that time before he died. Muhammad annexed Punjab as the easternmost province of his empire. Muhammad died in 1030 CE. Muhammad was died in 1030 CE. This brought an end to frequent raids. However, Muhammad's conquest did not produce any significant result as he failed to establish an empire here. Muhammad was more a warrior than a man of faith. He plundered temples for wealth, which he needed to protect his kingdom from the ever expanding kingdoms of Central Asia. He wanted to control the highly profitable trade in commodities like horses from Arabia. This is seen as one of the reasons of Muhammad to have invaded Somnath. The wealth thus acquired helped him to buy to beautiful Ghazni and Hinsen Strait. The wealth thus acquired he helped him to buy mercenaries to beautify Ghazni and enhance trade. A recent book by historian Romila Thapar suggests that it was economic interest and not religious intolerance that prompted Muhammad of Ghazni to overrun Gujarat. Clear? So tomorrow I will discuss again new topic. So thank you.